You ready? This right here is the same as this. It's a representation. Okay. So everything caught it. Yeah. So we're going to start with the kidney. This is the renal capsule. This is the cortex. This is the medulla. Each one of these is a pyramid. In a pyramid, there's 1,000,000 pyramids in a kidney. And this is a nephron. And there's 1,000,000 nephrons in a pyramid. So there's 1,000,000,000 and another kidney, right? So, okay. Right here is this part. See where the tan is? So this is the cortex. This is the medulla. Each one of these little round things is a Bowman's capsule. Okay? Blood comes in right here. Comes in afferent. A before E, right? Comes in afferent. Comes into the glomerulus. This is where the glomerulus is. Right here is where water and salt and crap is filtered out. And it goes down this track right here. The clean blood comes back in and goes out the efferent, okay, which is right here. And this is your paratubular capillary bed, okay, and then of course there's an exchange, and it goes up the veins back to your heart. So from here, it's going to go right here. This tan part is the proximal convoluted tubule. And this is where your filtrate gets concentrated. Then it comes down this tan part right here. And right here, the stuff from the blood is either going to be added or subtracted like salt. If you're going to keep salt in, then PTH will come in here. And I'm sorry, ADH. And salt will be retained. What follows salt is water, of course. Then it comes down here to what's called the loop of Henle. Okay. When it comes up the ascending ascending tubule, here's where the hormones will affect to see if it's going to keep water or remove water. Okay. Then it'll come up to this purple part right here. This is the distal convoluted tubule. And what happens here is it turns into urine. So it goes from filtrate to urine. Basically it's concentrated. Then it'll come into the collecting ducts, this yellow part, and on out. Okay, once it comes out, this is the collecting duct. Same thing. Here's my loop of Henle. Here's my collecting duct. It comes out right here to the pyramid space, and then this is a minor calyx. Minor calyx. Each one of these little things are minor calyxes. Okay. Then it goes to a major calyx, and then to the ureter. The ureter goes to your bladder. So it's that tube that goes to your bladder. Okay. So each one of these Bowman's capsule, you notice that there's a whole bunch of them, right? That each one of them filtrates so much water from your blood, or keeps so much water from your blood. So this is the system that regulates your blood pressure. Also regulates what's in your blood, to a point. It's one of the things, I should say. Okay? Any other ones you want me to hit?
Can you go through that whole system again with that middle piece?
Sure.
What those two
So this is a nephron. Okay. So this is a Bowman's capsule right here, right? This is the proximal convoluted tubule. This is the descending tubule. Loop of Henle. Comes up this way. This is the ascending tubule. The distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct.
Okay.
And then this goes to the calyx, minor calyx, major calyx, ureter, bladder. Okay? So what does it mean if I have too much salt, if I ingest too much salt? Blood's going to be thick or thin? So what is salt going to bring with it? So what is that going to do to my blood? Thin. Is it going to increase the volume of blood? Yes, because it's going to add more fluid to it, right? And that's what gives me high blood pressure. So when people eat a lot of salt, they say it affects your blood pressure. That's how it does it, through your kidneys. But yeah, it increases the volume. But it thins it too. So you ever see those guys like we were talking about earlier that they carry the milk carton around? You don't do that, do you, Mason? Oh, okay. They drink from the milk carton, like gulp it down. That's really bad for you. Because what it does is it shuts down the system. And can you live without your kidney functioning? Hell no. You'll die pretty quick. Because this regulates your blood, and if your blood's not regulated, you might as well cut an artery. Okay? How about the teeth?
Let's do it.
Okay?